Hey guys, it's Jalon with Meadowlark Log Homes. It's July 23rd, 2019, and we're just getting started on the teardown of this first floor of this big house here. This is our outside building area here. We got a crane there. We got our other facility over here where we generally will be building, but we got another project being finished up, wrapped up in there. So we've been out here for about 5 weeks. This is week 6. It's Tuesday of week 6 on this project, and it's just coming down. So do a little walk around. We've got some decks here on the sides, there and there, and it wraps all the way around the back and over to where the crane's at, all the way around the house. We've got some tall gable glass, or some big glass right there. There's another layer of glass on top of that on the upper floor, and some double doors there, big window there. As you'll see here, this is a D-log home. We call it a D-log. It's a D-profile log, and as you can see here, this corner it's got a flat on the inside, so the interior walls are all flat like that with a nice timbered look, a nice square beam feeling with full round beams and a couple of full round walls on the inside, like that wall right there. Got a breezeway attached right here that connects the garage over here to the house, and the whole thing is 2-story. There's a loft floor that goes all the way through the breezeway, and then the garage as well has a 2nd story up in the top there, a loft. And so we've got probably about 6 more weeks or so to do the top 2nd story. Pretty tall structure here. So we've got this little pop out off of the garage. It's a single level, separate little garage room that's kind of sticking out the side here. Nice tall gable walls there, and got a garage door there. We've got a nice, spot for a car in there, and then we've got the 2 bigger garage doors there for motorhome and whatever else you want to park in there. Lots of clearance. And up here we've got the guys working on tearing down this last post here. We've got 2 big posts in the front that will hold up a big covered truss of a big covered roof for the entrance here. A big truss up here in the upper floor. And there's decks that come all the way from that far corner all the way around this side, tied to that post that he's on. And the deck came around here and tied into the garage. So it's covered all the way about halfway around the entire thing. Pretty much the whole house has got porch roofs all the way around. They're gonna be poured patios with covered roofs on them. And there's all the headers and posts ready to be packaged up. And we've got Eric there getting ready to take that post down. So we'll go into the inside now. So here's the main entrance. Same thing with some big glass up here. Nice big double doors. And here would be the entryway with a nice have a catwalk going across the living room here. With some loft joists there coming around to this side. So this is open above me to the loft, and then this is open. This front part will be open as well, so there'll be this kind of a little catwalk with railing going across there. Pretty nice. And then as you can see, the walls are all flat. It's a nice square beam look. It'll be tall glass way up there. Keeps these walls go up another 5 feet or so, and then there's a big, tall, steep roof on top of that, so it's really, really tall structure. And this house is about 90% larch, and then some lodgepole pine and some spruce, but a lot of larch logs in here. Really nice premium material. This is our timber stairway here. It's a really kind of the key feature of the house. It's a really nice. It's a beefy large stringers here. with fir 3x11 fir treads, and it's a really nice beefy stairway. Landing right here. These need to be sanded still. Got a little rough from walking up and down for the last few weeks. They'll be sanded up nice and smooth. As you can see, they're plugged with dowels here. These will be, of course, smoothed over. Here you can see a couple that have been sanded down. Look like that, and then the whole thing will be obviously nice and white before it leaves the yard. And then up here we've got a loft here. See the catwalk. A little walkway over there. We've got some bedroom space up here. Not too much to see at this point. We'll do a more detailed walkthrough of the upper floor when we get that set up. A big archway here, a lot bigger than usual, with a round beam spanning across the top. And that was specifically requested by the client. Nice beefy crossing header log there. And then here we've got, this would be the dining room with a nice big window there. Big double doors, some glass on the side there. And then here we've got archway leading into the breezeway. And then this will be kitchen area here. And then obviously a full loft above me with these large loft joists here. So going into the breezeway now, to the arch, and then in here will be kind of a mudroom area, utility rooms in the corner here, side door entrance there. Some kind of cool angled log work up here to kind of this will hold the loft floor. There's a door there coming from the main house, and then there'll be an upstairs over here. There'll be a stairway right here as well that goes up in this little room here to kind of access the upper floor of the garage. And then here you've got big open garage with a big archway there that kind of nice open feeling between the two rooms here, and nice tall walls in here. It's a really nice majestic structure. It's a beautiful morning this morning. It's gonna be real hot today, so we're prepared for that. And yeah, it's gonna be a good week and a half of takedown before we get onto the top story. And then we'll also be going to central Idaho to reassemble this home. So we'll do a completed walkthrough video when the house is up on site, which will be for a few months, probably a good 6-8 weeks before it's completely done on site. But that's the first story here, and stay tuned for the second floor walkthrough, and then the final on-site walkthrough as well. And we'll try to do one when the house is, when the logs are up, and then we'll do another one a year from now when the home is completely done and move-in ready or completely finished out, so we can get a nice kind of a progressive look at the process. And so big project, and we're excited to see how it turns out. Thanks for watching.